getting through this with stories to help you get back on track. This is the Rebound Coastal Bend.
The COVID-19 pandemic has knocked us down, but here at Chris 6 News, we are determined to help our community get back up. And the city of Corpus Christi is pulling together funding for those who give back to the community. Our Jeff Dubroff has more.
When we think of businesses that have been affected by the COVID-19 pandemic, first thing that comes to mind, restaurants or retail. But what about nonprofit organizations? They've been hit hard as well. Luckily, the city of Corpus Christi is here to help.
It is scary because right now we're doing okay, but we're wondering, what does 6 months from now look like? What does a year from now look like?
While restaurants and retail were hit, nonprofit organizations were not spared either.
COVID-19 has had a real domino effect, so it's definitely hitting nonprofits. I know we're seeing a downturn in donations.
Between donations dropping and fundraisers being canceled, nonprofits are having trouble keeping the doors open and the lights on.
Without being able to hold the fundraisers that fund their organization to provide the services they provide, they cannot keep in business.
What started as an idea from City Councilman Everett Roy, Corpus Christi is dividing $500,000 to help nonprofits within the city limits pay the bills.
I came up with the idea and talked to the city manager, and I said, really, I think we need to have some type of grant program that is truly for local nonprofits.
The United Way of the Coastal Bend will distribute the funds to local nonprofits who apply and qualify. Here is how a local nonprofit qualifies. The organization must be classified by the IRS as a 501c3 or a 501c6 nonprofit. They must be operating within the Corpus Christi city limits, must be providing health and human services, educational services, or job training, and lastly, they must have an annual revenue below $3 million. The United Way and the city of Corpus Christi want people to remember nonprofits need support also.
A nonprofit organization is a small business because they employ people, they have operating costs such as rent and utilities.
That's the whole reasoning behind the fund. Nonprofit organizations are small businesses as well.
For nonprofits who have yet to apply for the grant money but are interested, all you have to do is go to the United Way of the Coastal Bend's website, uwcb.org, click on the link that says COVID-19 resources, and apply there. For more information, you can visit our website, christv.com/rebound. For the Rebound Coastal Bend, I'm Jeff Dubroff.